In this video, let's talk about how to fix phone number already in use error. Now, in most cases, what this simply means is you already use this particular phone number in order to sign up to this particular account. So in this situation, what you could do is whenever you're on the login page, you'll likely see an option called forgot password, which lets you reset your password. So in this situation, you will need to receive the OTP, which is likely going to be sent to the exact phone number that you're currently using. So that way you'll be able to gain access of your account, and you could also change your phone number if you want so. But however, if this is not the case for you and if you haven't used your phone number, in this situation what you need to do is initiate a number recycling dispute, which simply means that you need to contact the customer support. So simply open up your web browser and search for the customer support, where you can directly contact them and explain the exact situation that you're facing. For this, you need to provide your identity, which could be your passport or your driver's license, and they may also even ask to take a video selfie. So that's the way on how you can do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.